So the controller is pretty much the same thing. You just gotta go ahead and press it down, and then you can actually just take off, or you can press that button. But let's go ahead and take off. There's always tilting to the left, and now you can see. So right now I'm not in the fast mode. We're gonna go ahead and see how far can this guy actually go. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna do a recording. Let's see. With this antenna, it should do me good. Let's see how far can it go. Okay, with the controller, it can go a little bit farther. Alright, it can go a little bit farther. That's a good sign. Alright, can I make it there? Now it lost signal. I mean, be honest with you, my Tello can fly from here, where I'm at, all the way down there without no controller. We're just using a phone. And we're gonna go ahead and see. And this one, I'm using a controller already. Okay, let's see how far can it go. Nope, lost signal already. Yeah. It's already lost signal. So it's about, you can see it'll be here. About how many meters can this really go? God, it's really. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. See exactly how many meters. So about 60, right? About 60. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead. Just pushing it. Okay, you can have more range. You can actually go 80. I'm gonna go lower. So you can go about 100 meters with a controller. Let's go ahead and look back. Okay, the controller does help. Alright, that's a good sign. And then we're gonna go ahead and see. I'm flying slow right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go fast mode, see if we can go fast. So the fast mode, it can go what, 11 miles an hour? I'm in speed, yeah. Tello can go 30. Oh my gosh, man. The reason why I know he can go 30 because I'm in my boosted board, and when I'm using Tello to follow me, you can watch my video, I'll show it to you. It can just outrun me, and I'm already going speed. Alright, let's go ahead. And then we're gonna go ahead and go to, let's go ahead and check something out here. I don't know why it's not letting me. Okay, he said, see that? He said sports, and he said, okay, I'm in sports. Just put 100. Okay. Yeah, so that's the fastest it can go. I mean, it's really slow flyer, and you would expect this guy fly like a bee, you know, like at least fast. I mean, look at it. It's like, really, there's really no point. And guys, you could buy yourself extender control. You can, instead of this a controller, because they're selling this for, I think, for like another 150 bucks or $100. You can actually get yourself a Xiaomi controller, I'm sorry, Wi-Fi extender, and you can probably go the same speed. the same distance, I'm sorry, because I actually did that with my Zero Tech Dobie, and I think Dobie is faster than this guy here. Zero Tech Dobie is faster. I mean, look at it. It's just, I mean, it's there. So you can see, and that's the fast I can go. Oh man, all right, let's go ahead, see how the sticks. Okay, the sticks is okay, it's not too bad, but it's just slow. I think this is like the slowest I can think of. So you can see it, I'm in sport mode, and I'm going like 9 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour, maybe 11. I mean, what? I don't know whose crowd is this gonna I don't know whose crowd this thing is gonna, what am I saying, interest, because and right now it's low battery. It's low battery. It's low battery. And you can see how long does this thing die. I mean, if it's a little bit faster and then all the flight mode works properly, it's yes, I might be okay. But for $250, guys, you can get yourself a Spark, and you can do better than this. I mean, this thing's not really a portability anyway, because look at the controller. The controller is so huge. The Spark, you're gonna have a decent case with it. You got obstacle avoidance, it's fast. The range is better. Got a gimbal. This thing here don't have no gimbal. So you see that black stuff? You see that? That's the stabilize here. And I don't know. And the range is not. I don't know. It's just so slow. And look at it in the wind. It's like, here, I'm gonna view myself with it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the video on, and then you can see to yourself, and that's already stabilized video. Wow, that's it on this drone. Ah, man, it's weak. Look at that. Let me see if it will land over here. I don't know. Take off. You keep saying I hope. I did not enjoy it. I did not enjoy that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Alright guys, I'm just showing you my raw footage video quality on this Mark drone, and then you guys can decide it for yourself if this is for you or you want to recommend this to somebody else. But this is my experiencing with this Mark drone. I really appreciate it guys, and thank you again for watching this video.